my name's Andy. I never did videos before, but I'm doing it. So I'm trying to make Spider-Man slime with all these. Well, not the roller. So, do this.
What are our ingredients, Andy?
Oh, it is baking powder and a tray.
Right.
The tray is this whole thing, and
Good job.
and these are mine. They look like food coloring, but it's not. But I forgot what it is. Daddy, what is it again?
3 bottles of web gel.
And web gel. And we got guys. Oh, okay. I have water now, and this is part 2. Okay, so I now need to be a scientist today. I'm making a web slime. Oh, hi guys again. Remember me, so I produce, yeah.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're gonna clean it later.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Sorry about that. That was malfunction. Okay, and one more time. Okay, now what? Okay, now I need to stir it up. Still doing it. Hard to do.
What?
Oh, I want to be a scientist, so I'm still doing it.
Okay.
I'm gonna start school, kindergarten, and then I'm gonna try to
Look here.
make a lot of spider bots as I can. This is what it is. This is what it looks like. So I'll continue that when we're done making slime. Now I need to pour it right here. Okay. This is what I got in Disneyland.
Go.
Okay, I'll just middle of the top. So
Look.
next step, I need to do this and shake it hard so I can trace this. So
Okay.
I will
Which one
do-
are you gonna pick?
The logo.
Okay.
And now I need to get one color. One mini, mighty moo. Okay, I'm picking. Okay, it's hard. Wait a second. Okay, there we go. Now I need it. Choice.
You have to open it.
Oh, how?
Twist.
See this? You can turn it here, this way. It's in the top. So I'm going to do this here. No. So I won't look at the camera.
Okay.
Because I need to focus. Me and Daddy was trying to figure this out. Okay, so I'll do it now. Oh, that's cool. Actually, I'm almost done with the spider.
Look here.
I need to do the squeegee. The next step. If you get this in Disneyland, you're really lucky to do this.
What are you doing? So you're
Slime.
putting it in the tray.
Right there. I need to put this in. Now I need to wait for 10 minutes.
Say bye first.
Bye. A few moments later. Okay, now off. A few moments later, you know that, and then I made these ones, and then I'm trying to.
Ooh, what do we have?
It is. I don't know. It looks weird.
Okay, this one.
And now the spider. I made webs for Spider-Man, and he is super ready to fight some bad guys.
Good. Are you gonna use that?
Yeah, so here's Spider-Man.
And he's ready?
He's trying to look for bad guys. Spider-Man is swinging, but he found a bad guy. He looks small, but
What's inside?
of him, it's Venom. And he has the suit on. And then watch this.
Oh,
Venom, and I'm gonna defeat. Wait, where's my red?
I'm gonna use my web.
He's trying to run away. Spider-Man's gonna hit him again. Now he's gonna do it again. Got him in his head. Red head.
Whoa.
And now, oh yeah, we got him. saved the day and captured it. Yep. Hope you liked this video. Click and subscribe on more Why Andy's Toys review. Bye. And also always stay happy and wise up. Bye.